Hey there, before we get started, if you've enjoyed one of my classes before, please take a quick second to click the subscribe button. It's completely free and helps my channel out so much more than you know. Thank you and enjoy class. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariana Elizabeth and today is another highly requested class. I got a request on Instagram for a beginner-friendly, 15-minute, primarily small space, hotel-friendly, travel-friendly Pilates class. And I also got the request for it to be completely prop-free, so not even a mat. So today's class will be just that. This is about the space of a hotel room. And as you see, I'm just barefoot with nothing but carpet underneath me. So, alrighty, when you're ready, we'll go ahead and get started. You won't need anything but yourself and a small little space. We're going to start in a little chair pose. Arms are right here, and we're going to start with a press and then lift. So you're doing a shoulder press, and then you're bringing the arms by your side, lifting those heels, squeezing forward. You're squeezing your core here as well, exhaling on your lifts. So whenever you're doing the work, you're exhaling. Very nice. For 5, 4, we're not rushing, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. Come to that chair, bend the elbows, and we're just going to do some shoulder flies. So we're going to close the arms, open them back up, close and open. Squeeze those shoulder blades together. Keep the tension in the knees, the thighs, quads are working here. For 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Stand it up, shake the arms out, and let's get into those legs a little bit. All right, we want to keep the momentum. So we're going to start on the right leg. Hands are on your hips. Bend into that right knee, and we're just going to extend that left leg back. Point the toe. When you lean forward, you're using your core. So this becomes full body. When you lean forward, squeeze that core. You're pinning your core to your spine. Back is nice and strong and bending into that front knee. A lot of times people lock the knee out. Bend into that knee so that that right quad can work too. All right, so we're just lifting, tapping the toe. Squeeze that core. Lift and tap. You want to lift just high enough to squeeze the glute. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, now we're going to crunch the leg in, extend, and then come all the way up to standing. Drive that knee up. That's what's using that deep core. Awesome. So extend, tap, lift, drive it up. It may seem like you're working just the left leg, but you're actually working that right leg as well. Stability, here we come. Drive it up, almost there. 3 more. The slower you go, the harder it is. A lot of times people try and fly through the reps. Let your muscles have a moment to really work. Last one, best one. Lower, lift, drive it up. Very nice. Alrighty, so we're going to extend that left leg back, free the arms here, and we're just going to take a little runner. So we're going in and extend, in, extend. You're tapping the toe, still squeezing the core. That right leg should be sizzling. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. We're almost there. The right leg is going to feel these last 2. So we're going to take a little curtsy pulse. You're just going to the right, double pulse, and then tap. Double pulse, and then tap. For 3. Last 2. Last 1. Perfect. Final thing we have, step that leg back, that left leg back. You're coming into a little 90-90. So not super far back, just enough so you can bend both knees. Whoop. Arms out in front of you. We're going to be opening that left arm, center, and then we're going to press everything back, press the palms back, straighten through the legs. This should feel great in the hamstrings. Bring it here. Nice. Open, close, press the palms back, straighten through the leg. You're pressing that left heel forward. Oh my gosh, it feels so good in my hamstrings. Open, take your time here. The challenge is when you shift your gaze somewhere else. So don't rush this opening part. Whoop. Close. Enjoy the stretch right here. Last one, friends. Open. Close. Press it back. Very nice. Come to standing. Shake that right leg out. And then we'll separate the feet just under hips with distance. Arms are reaching up. Squeeze the core. We're going to get into those obliques. Deep inhale. Exhale to the left. Up to center. To the right. And center. Left. And right. Last one. And right. Nice. This time, over to the left. Drop the left arm. Reach it. Center. Right. Drop. Up. Center. Notice how my moves are kind of mechanical almost. You want to make sure your body is holding yourself in that position. No momentum. No just flowing over and flowing back up. Let those muscles squeeze and hold for a second. Last one. Over. Drop. Center and up. Very nice. Shake it out. Hands right here. A few washers. Wow, my back just popped for those both of those twists. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, let's do the other side and we're out of here. Gosh, my right leg is hot. Alrighty, and we're coming back to those squats. So lower, well, not really squats, but that chair. Press up, lift the heels down, and up, lift the heels down. Squeeze your core when you lift up. Take your time. You can go slower than me. You're gonna get into those calves as well when you do this. Press it up. Nice. For 3, 2, last one. Nice. Sit it low. Bend the elbows. We're closing. Opening. Close. Open. Squeeze the shoulder blades for 4, 3, 2, last one. Nice. Stand it up. Shake those arms out. Bring your hands onto your hips. All right, this time we're bending into the left leg and we're extending that right leg back. Point the toe. Point your toes like your life depends on it. Seriously, it makes a huge difference. When you point your toe, notice how much your whole leg is engaged as opposed to when you just kind of lift. Engage everything. Squeeze your core. We're lifting up. Bend into the left knee, lower, lift, and lower. Try to gaze down as opposed to forward at the screen for 4, 3, 2, and lift, knee in, lift, and bring it all the way up. Nice. Extend, knee in, oops. Extend, knee comes up. This is that deep core, so take your time here. Extend, knee in. You're working on that stability on the left leg as well. It should be shaken. 2 more. Last one. Very nice. From here, oh yep, stand that leg back. And we're taking a little runner. In, extend. Light on that right toe. Very light. Bend into the left knee. Let that thigh work for you. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hands to your hips. Bring the right toe in, right into that double pulse, double curtsy pulse. 1, 2, bring the toe back to center. Squeeze your core to help you come back to center. Double pulse, and tap the toe. Double pulse, tap the toe. 2 more. Last one. Very nice. Almost there. 90-90. So we're stepping that right leg slightly back. Boop. Arms go forward. And we're opening to the right. Center. Palms press back, straighten through that front leg. And center. Y'all, where's my balance? Also, a reminder. You can always step your foot out just a little bit rather than right in line. It helps with your balance. Alrighty. Opening, close, straighten, center. You can always go slower than me. Press it back, get into that hamstring right there. Oh, it feels so good. Nice. For 3, 2, last one. Very good. Shake the left leg out. Look at us. We have 2 minutes and 39 seconds left. All right. Legs forward, standing obliques. Lift up. Inhale. You're exhaling to the left, center. To the right, center. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it over. Drop the right arm. Bring it up. Lift. Over. Left arm. Up. Lift. If this is hurting your back, lean forward more. So you're using your core and not your back. Over. 1 more on each side. Last one, best one. Very nice. With those legs right where they are, wide-legged forward fold. You can hold on to opposite elbows. You can sway side to side. Add some space between your teeth. Remove your tongue from the roof of your mouth. So you want to relax your jaw here. This is also great for a little brain rinse, letting some of the blood flow to your mind, to your brain. Awesome. Fingertips come to the floor. Turn the toes out just a bit. Hips go down and up, down and up. Last one. Hold it as low as you can. If you don't need to bring your fingertips to the floor, you can lift them up to heart center. Lift that chest. Press your elbows into your knees. Maybe even lift your toes and send more weight into the heels. Big inhale. Stay for your exhale. Nice. You can hinge forward, lift those hips up, turn the toes in, walk the feet in, chin to chest, roll it all the way up. Your head comes last and you are done. Very nice job. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Let me know if you want to see more of these small space. I think I kind of feeling them. All right. If you would like to support me further, I'll leave my Cash App and Venmo on the next screen. Anything and everything is so very much appreciated, but even more appreciated is subscribing to my channel and ringing the notification bell so that you know when I have a new class coming out. All right. See you later. Bye.